Hello everyone, Tim Investor with you guys. Welcome to my new video. We're off to a fresh start this week, and with the fresh start, we are seeing that the top 100 of our cryptocurrencies are down, and that might be a frightening news for you guys, but don't worry. I mean, this definitely is not for too long. We've seen crypto bottom in the late 2019, and what we're seeing right now is close to the bottom that the cryptocurrency has reached, or at least close enough. And I'm sure that in the next couple of weeks to a month or even a little bit more, we will be seeing cryptocurrency definitely rise. And I also followed the rule, which I'll share with you guys: buy low, sell high. It's fairly simple. When the cryptocurrency is at its low point, that is definitely the time when you should buy it. And when you feel like it has reached its high point, that is the time to sell it. But today's video won't be regarding cryptocurrency. It will be regarding this project that I've personally invested in, which is called Wallie. When you first open this page, I know it might be a bit not too comfortable, but it is in different language. So just right click on your mouse and just press translate to English. And it will translate it for you, and it will be in a language that is more familiar to you guys. And over here you could see the statistics. You could definitely read this, how it works. It does translate it really good to English, and it gives you all the information that you need. But there's two parts to Wallie. First, there's the part where you can invest into the smart contract Ethereum, which is right here. The current balance on is 338 Ethereum, and the project did start on January 1st. So consider that we are at 28 days since the start of the project, and there is a code here. You could read that for yourself. For those of you who are programmers, who might be, or just might know how to read codes, and I could tell you a couple words regarding the contract. Is that the owner does not have any right to the contract, meaning that there's no way you could take the deposit and just walk away with it. So you could have that as a peace of mind. Also, you do get 1.1% from the smart contract daily. So if you invest, there's a calculator. In fact, let me go to my smart contract, which is right here. There's a calculator right here. So if you invest 10 Ethereum, which is roughly, let's see here. So it looks like Ethereum is at 106. So if you invest 10 Ethereum, that'll be like around $1,060. It looks like, or around that price. And you'll be earning. So you basically invest 1,060, and the most you can get out of 10 Ethereum is 20 Ethereum. So that is the maximum. Basically, it doubles. So if you invest 10 Ethereum, you will get $20 back. Considering the project does last, but I mean, since the start, we've seen 338 Ethereum on the deposit, with a total of, let's see here, 457 invested. So that is a huge amount, and it will be rising. And I could tell you that the statistics are open, and you could easily calculate for yourself how long the project will last with that percentage. So you could keep that in mind. That is what I like about the smart contract. However, there is an alternative for you guys that are just that Ethereum is too hard for me. I have no clue how to open or deposit to my Ethereum wallet. There is a much safer option, which is the fiat or the currency deposits. You basically go right here to cabinet and create a fiat deposit and enter all your login details and press register. Once you're registered, press sign into your account, and you'll be directed to this page. You might as well translate it to the English. And once it's translated, you will see not the $220 since this is my cabinet. You will see everything will be zeros. However, you do need to make a deposit in order to make the 1.4% work for you daily. Just press participate, and you will see several of the methods. There's 7 of them. I'm sure that advanced cash and Kiwi will be some of the ones that you will be used. And I just want to note that there is a minimum of $30 into deposits, so just keep that in mind. But all applications are processed by the operator from 10 to 23 Moscow time. So just keep that in mind if you're in a different time zone. And once you fill out all the details, you just press that I paid, and you will be ready to go. Going back to our main page right here, there is a 10% referral from your inviter. So if you invite somebody and they invest $1,000, you will receive $100 from them. So far I've earned $128 with the referral bonus. And also, if you make a deposit of $100 or more, you will be receiving a daily bonus, which is pretty much 1% of all the deposits made that day. 1% is distributed among the participants who have a deposit of $100 or more. So far, over a period of 3 weeks, I've received $7.02, which is not bad, or actually $7.20, which is actually pretty good. And just considering that you're not doing anything. Also, from the deposit, I did receive $73, and currently I did make a reinvestment, so that is why these numbers don't add up to my available balance. But other than that, I have $88, and closer to Friday, I will be making the deposits, and I will be making a video of my deposits. And that is it for you guys. I'll be making a video of the smart contract, which is another alternative that I also spoke of briefly. So just stay tuned for my next video. That will be sometime between tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. So if you're new to this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any questions regarding this project or just any projects, or maybe you have any questions regarding cryptocurrency or just any questions, I have my contact details in the descriptions below, so feel free to get in contact with me. And that is it for this video, and see you guys in the next video.